In this video, you'll learn how to earn money on Wecasa by becoming a professional service provider. By the end of this guide, you will understand the steps to register, the services you can offer, and the benefits of working with Wecasa. To begin, navigate to the Wecasa website at wecasa.co.uk/pro. Once the homepage loads, look for the registration option prominently displayed. This is where you will start the process of becoming a Wecasa professional. After you click on the registration link, you will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate, as it will be used for your account verification. Next, you will need to confirm your eligibility for self-employment in the UK. This may involve providing relevant certifications or proof of experience for the services you wish to offer, such as cleaning, hairdressing, massage therapy. Make sure to gather all necessary documents before proceeding. Once you've completed the registration form and submitted your documents, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for this email, which will confirm that your application is being processed. This step may take some time, so be patient while Wecasa reviews your application. After your registration is approved, you will gain access to the Wecasa Pro app. Download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, log in using the credentials you created during registration. This platform will allow you to accept or decline job offers based on your availability and preferred travel zones. You will earn between £12.50 to £16 per hour before taxes, and you can make up to £1,034 per month by working 25 hours a week. Importantly, you will retain over 70% of each session's earnings, making this a lucrative opportunity. Payments are made weekly or monthly via bank transfer, ensuring a reliable income stream. That wraps up today's guide on how to earn money on Wecasa. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.